So just what is it that makes Sir Walter DNA certified Australia's #1 buffalo? Here are a few reasons why it is the best performing lawn variety around the country. It's great in full sun or shade and has low watering requirements. Normal rainfall should be enough for it to thrive in most places around Australia, so you shouldn't need to install an irrigation system in most cases. It really is a low maintenance and low input lawn, so it requires less mowing and fertilizing than other grass types, so more family fun time and less work on your lawn. It's disease and fungus resistant, as well as being weed and insect resistant, so that means less time looking after it or worrying much about pesticides. It's wear resistant, self-repairing, salt tolerant and environmentally friendly. It will bounce back and look great in most conditions, but won't take over your garden beds. And best of all, it's great for families and pets. Being low allergenic and soft to touch, it's the best grass for Aussie backyards. All Sir Walter DNA certified suppliers have had their Sir Walter Turf DNA tested by the University of Queensland to ensure it is 100% the same as the original Sir Walter parent material. This guarantees the customer that by purchasing Sir Walter DNA certified, they can be sure they are getting genuine Sir Walter, not an inferior alternative. And like all our Lawn Solutions Australia grasses, it comes with a genuine certificate of authenticity and our 10-year product warranty. Nothing compares to Sir Walter DNA certified, exclusive to Lawn Solutions Australia member growers and accredited resellers.